Colgate now has $63.46 B valuation. About 3.02 million shares traded. Its stake stood at $49,354,000, a decrease of 0.3% as of the end of the quarter. As of quarter end, Alpha Windward LLC had acquired 7 shares, growing its position 0.2%. The stock declined 0.40%, or 29 cents, reaching $71.9 per share. Intact Management holds 0.02%, or 4,800 shares. The average analysts gave this company a mean recommendation of 2.10. It is underperformed by 10.47%, the S&P 500. When investing in a volatile security, the risk of success is increased just as much as the risk of failure. It's up 0.08 from 0.82 in 2017 Q1. The total number of shares traded in the last 12 months is 1.31 million. 92 funds open positions, while 359 raised stakes. Westover Advisors LLC holds 0.26%, or 5,325 shares. Cypress Cap MGMT LLC invested in 0.06%, or 3,303 shares. Institutional owners keep 75.90%, hold insiders owns 0.30% shares of the company. If you take a peek at Colgate-Palmolive Company, New York Stock Exchange CL, you may spot some reasons to watch the retail space for value. The bid price was Rs.1046.20 for 21 stocks, while the ask price was Rs.1046.90 for 16 stocks, making the bid-ask spread to be -0.7. Orstown Financial Services Incorporated raised its stake in Colgate-Palmolive Company by 26.7% in the second quarter. Clifton Larson All-in Wealth Advisors Limited Company reported 12,358 shares. National Bank of Montreal holds 0.07% in Colgate-Palmolive Company, New York Stock Exchange CL, or 972,361 shares. Zweig reported 0.82% of its portfolio in Colgate-Palmolive Company, New York Stock Exchange CL. The company have shares float of 4.49 million. Raymond James and Association reported 249,338 shares. 22,429 are owned by Waters Parkerson and Limited Liability Com. Rational Advisors LLC's holdings in Colgate-Palmolive were worth $564,000 at the end of the most recent quarter. The company was upgraded on Tuesday, February 21 by BNP Paribas. One research analyst has rated the stock with a sell rating, 14 have issued a hold rating and 5 have issued a buy rating to the stock. Therefore 21% are positive. Bidask Club lowered shares of Colgate-Palmolive from a sell rating to a strong sell rating in a research note on Wednesday, July 12. The stock has neutral rating by BNP Paribas on Friday, July 29. While Lori J. Trusty stated it has 0% in Colgate-Palmolive Company, New York Stock Exchange CL. They set a sector weight rating on the stock. The stock of Colgate-Palmolive Company, New York Stock Exchange CL, has overweight rating given on Wednesday, January 6 by Atlantic Securities. The company now has a consensus rating of hold and a consensus price target of $76.79. The company also recently disclosed a quarterly dividend, which will be paid on Wednesday, November 15. A stock rating usually tells investors how well a stock's market value relates to what analysts think is a fair value for the stock, based on an independent evaluation of the company. Jefferies maintained the stock with hold rating in Friday, July 21 report. BMO Capital Markets maintained it with buy rating, an $86.0 target in Friday, September 15 report. Since May 8, 2017, it had 0 insider purchases and 6 insider sales for $5.64 million activity. The insider Virgil and Patricia sold $273,446. The stock of Colgate-Palmolive Company, New York Stock Exchange CL, earned hold rating by RBC Capital Markets on Tuesday, August 1. Following the completion of the transaction, the senior vice president now owns 88,598 shares of the company's stock, valued at $6,322,353.28. Pinnacle Financial Partners Incorporated now owns 30,342 shares of the company's stock valued at $2,249,000 after acquiring an additional 23,575 shares in the last quarter. Therefore, 38% are positive. HomeStreet had 13 analyst reports since July 27, 2015, according to Stratton Sintel. The firm has outperformed rating given on Thursday, October 19 by BMO Capital Markets. The company was maintained on Thursday, July 6 by Jefferies. The company was maintained on Friday, March 24 by RBC Capital Markets. Several equities research analysts have recently commented on the stock. Hanson & Doremus Investment Management now owns 1,630 shares of the company's stock valued at $121,000 after purchasing an additional 70 shares during the last quarter. It also upped US Bancorp Del, New York Stock Exchange USB, staked by 116 shares, and now owns 5,931 shares. Group Guy Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange JIB, was reduced to. Investors' sentiment decreased to 1.25 in Q2 2017. It's down 0.01 from 0.95 in 2017 Q1. A number of other large investors have also bought and sold shares of CL. 112 funds opened positions, while 612 raised stakes. Hudson Valley Advisors Adv has 5,263 shares. They expect 73 cents earnings per share, 0.00% or $0 from last year's 73 cents per share. Foster Dikema Cabot & Company, Incorporated. Spark Invest Limited Liability invested in 53,000 shares, or 0.28% of the stock. Cantab Cap ETNRS Limited Liability Partnership reported 18,144 shares stake. Los Angeles and Equity Research Incorporated reported 0.26% of its portfolio in Best Buy Company Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange BBY. Godshock Welsh Capital MGMT holds 0.78%, or 10,600 shares. Barrow Hanley Mewini & Strauss holds 0% in Best Buy Company Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange BBY, or 1,150 shares. The FCF score of Colgate-Palmolive Company, New York Stock Exchange CL, is 0.738218. 5,840 were reported by Fairview Inv Management LLC.